This is Steam lithium-ion battery, and we would try to explain our project through this PPT. Our current team members are Aridaman Singh, Garrick Banerjee, Ritesh Shashidhar, Anish Ranade, and we would also like to mention our mentor, Dr. Nishikant Pandey. This is our problem statement. We have developed a poly and methyl aniline zinc nanocomposite material with which we have replaced the current anode material, and that this is how our anode material looks for the battery. We tried to make this project happen because we think that the current lithium-ion batteries pose environmental hazard to the wildlife, water, and on land. Toxic chemicals leak out from the lithium-ion mines into the rivers, which cause the fishes and animals to die due to its toxicity. It also pollutes the soil and it causes it to become infertile. Recycling and disposal of conventional lithium-ion batteries, or any other battery for that matter, causes huge environmental problems. 80% of the battery that can be recycled causes huge detrimental effects to the environment. Casings of these batteries are made of plastic, which also add to the pollution. Our battery is made naturally and hence is much less environmentally detrimental. The current figure tries to simplify and say how complicated and tedious the disposal of batteries can become, and how intoxicating can these elements and compounds be to the environment. Current lithium-ion batteries can be very explosive. Batteries can catch fire if not stored in ambient temperatures. They need to be stored in temperatures which help them function properly. Sudden charging or discharging of the battery causes the temperature to rise, which is not very safe. Our battery reduces those risks significantly. We have tried to degrade the conventional lithium-ion batteries in the past slides, and we would try to show that how our battery is better than them. Our batteries can be used again. They can be charged again. They don't explode because we have contained it into a very strong shell, and it can be disposed very easily into the environment because it is made naturally. In fact, most of the materials contained within our shell can be decomposed very quickly. The innovation in our present work includes replacement of the anode with newly prepared poly and methyl aniline anode material. We have also prepared an electrolyte from scratch, and which is completely natural. These are the dimensions of our battery. The outer diameter, the inner diameter, length, thickness, everything is provided in this particular slide. The following points explain the business proposition of our project. We could try building cells of different shapes and sizes for fitting them into special applications. We could recharge our batteries and bring a significant amount of revenue from recharging stations. We could replace the damaged cells. We could replace the external shell coating. We could replace the anode material which is decomposed. We could also replace the electrolyte if we want. We can also see that all these points together can help us bring in revenue which could help support the company run. We would like to thank KPIT Sparkle for giving us this opportunity and helping us develop this project.